Welcome. Today I will be turning the very plain, very boring, very stock start-stop switch on my BMW into this one, a much nicer, much more racy one. And why am I doing that? Because we all know that all interior accessories on a true race car need to be red. And I got it for $2 from China, so come on, let's do this. Okay, so first thing we need to do is pry this little guy out. And I'm going to use my favorite tool for that, which is a fairly dull butter knife, and try to pop it out. So let's do it. It's a little hard with the steering wheel in the way, but I think we can get this done. There we go. There. And it's out. So let's unplug the electrical connector, get this on the workbench, and get to work. There we go. So, there's the patient, and here is the new piece. Ooh, so pretty, so red. Yay! Should look pretty good in there, sitting right there. Holding it up, it seems to be, yeah, sized right, which is good. Parts from China are always always suspect. So let's take a small flathead, should I have one, and this one will do, I guess. I was looking for a little bit smaller, but now we need to get the actual switch off of the base here. So these little tabs right here, make sure the camera focus in on them. Yeah, so these little tabs, we need to pry those back. So let's do that. Huh, and I broke one. How about that? It's always the risk you take when working with cold plastic, but just one shouldn't be a problem. There's two. Alright, so here they are, they're all off. Little bummed I broke the one, but it should be okay, it shouldn't be a problem. And then the next thing we need to do is there are these little tabs in here, I'll show you on the back of this. These little white tabs right here, which plug in to little clips on there. So now I just see if I can have an even smaller tool to use. Pop those tabs off. This should pop out, and then I'll put the new one right in. All right. So what I'm going to use is just the smallest little Allen key. See if I can get those off of there. There, one's off. Let's see if I can get this other one off. There we go. And I did, yay! And most importantly, I didn't break anything this time. So there's the factory one. As you can see, it's kind of worn. So the new one goes in. It's going to go in just like so. It's on there perfectly. So now we'll put the back of the switch on there, or back on there. Okay. So there we are. Let's go pop this in and make sure it works. All right, so now all we have to do is pop it back in. So here it is. The electrical connector aligned properly, like so. Pop it in. Ooh, it's already lit up. And then slide it right back into the dash, and there we go. Works like a charm. Cool, well that was quick and easy. A nice little modification, which looks kind of cool. It looks factory, which is what I like. So yeah, went on really, really easily. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next time.